So friends, in this video, I'll show you how to change the eye color in any photo. You can change the eye color in any photo in just 1 minute, completely free. So let's get started without further ado. To edit, ensure your phone's internet is on. Watch the video in full screen or you will not understand. To start editing in the PicsArt app, first download it from the Play Store and then open it. I already have the PicsArt app open here. After you have opened the app, you need to click on the plus icon. Next, you need to click on Edit a Photo and choose the photo that you wish to edit. In this case, I have selected a photo of an eye. I took this photo. So now I will change your eye color. Watch this video till the end. You will not get it. So click on the retouch option here. Next, you will notice that there are numerous tools available here. After that, you will come across a tool specifically named Eye Color. So you will click here. So, after you have clicked here, the first step you need to take is to increase the opacity, and then you can proceed to change the color, during which you will notice the lens appearing in the eye. Increase the opacity significantly, and here you can automatically observe the changes taking effect. Next, you will need to click on the lens option that is available here, making sure that you select it and adjust it properly. After you have successfully changed the color, you should move the lens aside and then click here to proceed. Then proceed to erase the lens here, making sure to erase as much as necessary to achieve a completely natural look. If you find that you have erased too much, simply click on Restore here to fix it. So, you need to click on the lens here once again. Next, adjust the color to your preference and set the opacity accordingly. There are numerous colors available for you to choose from, so let me show you how. So, you have many colors to choose from here. Pick the one you like and apply it completely. I am going to leave this color here. So, at this point, I am going to reduce the opacity a little bit here. Press this button here to view the changes made. You will notice that the eye color has been beautifully altered. After that, click on the OK button located at the top. See you in the next video. Take care, everyone.